Did you know that your laundry detergent could be making your child's autism symptoms more severe? Laundry detergent is just one of many cleaners that hold so many different chemicals within them, such as fragrance and such as multiple other cleaning agents that can impact this thing called our endocrine system. Here are just some of the things that can happen when we do have our children exposed to massive amounts of endocrine disruptors. So things like fragrances, they can contribute to severity in autism symptoms through actually multiple different mechanisms. And just a few of the areas that it can impact within the body or systems is the immune system, neurodevelopmental systems, and it can exacerbate behavioral symptoms in our kids with autism. And this is how. So in the case of laundry detergent, among many others, I'm using this one as an example. Breathing in something like this is the same as breathing in VOC. So it's on our skin all the time. And we have been kind of misled in the stronger the fragrance of your laundry detergent, the cleaner you actually are, or the cleaner your laundry. We have like complete little pods and little pearls now that we can add to our laundry to make it even more fragrance.